Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First of all, I'm going to show you the notation. So, it doesn't matter what side you hold it on, you can hold it on any side. So, if your hand turns this way, if you make this side go up, that's called right. So it's basically you moving this clockwise. That's right. So when you do it counterclockwise, that's right inverted. Then you want to do this up face, which is when you hold it up, it's on top. If you turn it to the left, that's up. I mean, when you turn to the right, that's up. And when you turn to the left, that's up inverted. Now for this left side, when you turn it up, that's left inverted. When you turn it down, that's left. For this down side, when you turn it to the left, it's down inverted. When you turn it to the right, that's down. You really don't need to know the back side, because if it's just for the beginner's method, you really don't need it. Okay, so you're basically having a solved cube. You really don't want to learn how to solve it, and you just want to cheat. So, say if it's all mixed up, blah, 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 and you're like, man, I just want to impress somebody and say I solved the Rubik's Cube. So, you can cheat by getting something and just prying it underneath this part, which is an edge, and popping. You just pop the piece out and take it apart and put it all back together. So let's get to solving the cube. So you want to mix it up first. Okay, so you have your cube or Rubik's Cube mixed up. So you want to start from one of the middle pieces. Any middle piece, they don't move or anything, they can't be switched. So you want to pick one of your favorite colors on the cube of the middle piece. So I guess I'll choose white. So you want to form a cross that follows up like this, the same colors. It's pretty intuitive. So go like that and put it in. So there's one part of the cross. So then you want another part. See how this is? And then you want to put the piece at the bottom and at the top. So once you have your cross, you want to start solving these corners, and you might not get lucky like me, but one of the corners are already solved. But if it wasn't like that, you just have to do this. So what you're going to want to do, it doesn't matter, it could be placed like right here. It's different little cases. Say if it's on the bottom, you want to hold the cross so it's facing you and put it to the bottom where the piece is supposed to go, and you want to pull one of the cross pieces up, bring the two pieces over, bring the cross down, and then it's put in. So yeah, same for this one, sorta. Okay, so say you have it aligned, but it's not. You can't do that one move. You can't do that one move once. You have to do it 3 times. If this is at the bottom, so you want to do that move. Part of the cross over, bring it down, bring the cross back, bring it over, and then see how it switched its position. You want to do it again. So now the piece is correctly underneath, and you just want to do it again. Bring it over, bring the 2 pieces down, bring this part of the cross over, and bring it down. So now you have this little, I guess you can say, fused 2x2 thing. So then you want to finish putting the pieces in. So like I did earlier, bring it over. Now bring these 3 pieces down. Bring this over. So then you have almost one side done. And you have the same case again where you have to do it 3 times. So just do it 3 times. Okay, so once you finish this, you're probably saying, why isn't the whole thing solved? It's because it doesn't work like that. You want to get these things, these edges in the right places, and it's called F2L, or front 2 layers. So what you're going to want to do is make a little T, or whatever this is. If you hold it like this, it's a T. and you're gonna wanna make it so the piece can go either left or right. So for this one, the piece has to go right. So here's the algorithm: U R U I R I U I F U F prime. I didn't teach you about F, so I'll just edit it in. So you have another piece, it has to go to the right again, so do that again. So this one has to go to the right too, so just do it again. So this one has to go to the left, so you're gonna do it sort of the same like that, and the algorithm for that is UI LI U L U F UI FI. So now you have your F2L, or front two layers. So now you want to get your top part, or so if there's different positions, you can get this dot, this L, this line, or this cross. What you're aiming for is this cross. So what I'm going to do is actually show you how to get the cross.